May your hand touch this guy, make you see what's bro, see this guy. Bro, stop. What you see this guy they do like this, like? Shey, what you they do like this? May your hand no touch this guy, and I'm my own.
And they tell you always,
bro. If may your hand no touch this guy, and I'm my own, bro. Bro, no worry, don't worry. Bro, may your hand no touch this guy, and I'm my own. Jesus Christ, bro. Uncle. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Lenzi, aka Agilba, the market man, and with me I have
Sunny by here.
I have Sunny here, and I have
Gracious.
I have Gracious over here. As you can see, it's already dark. It's getting dark already, but we need to just find a way to settle this so that I think teeth no go come out. You understand? If blood on they fly for air, next thing na blood go they fly or teeth go they fly. So two of them here, then get complain. They are both. I don't know if a couple I go call them, but they are both in a relationship. So the girlfriend said she has a complaint. The boyfriend here too say he get his own complaint. You don't understand. After posting my last video that I did with Gravity and his people, we never wanted that. We never ready to settle. You understand? The boy reached out to me, so I don't know. Can you just? Okay, ladies, maybe you go start. Ladies first, right?
Sure.
Okay, ladies first. So, can you just tell us what the problem is?
The problem is that my boyfriend here is beating me up and abusing me. So I want to know why he does that every moment.
But wait, I don't understand. Wait, your boyfriend, they beat you?
Yes, he always beats me up.
Sorry to say this, but your boyfriend beat you and you cannot move out of the relationship.
I can't move out because I love him.
Wait, you can't move out?
Yes, I love him. And I want you to stop all those
Wait. You love him. That is the reason why you cannot move out. Like, is your soul buried in the relationship or something?
It's not like that.
So that's by the way, bro. Sorry, I know they try make una break up, but this thing where she talk here now, na true. I been
Oh, bro, na true.
Wait. You say waiting?
Na true, bro. I don't go lie you.
Wait, na true.
Yes, now.
You dey beat am.
Yes, now. When baby they push me to the wall now. When you say me, I go come outside early morning. I go hustle. Go find way to me. You go do okay for house. You understand? Yeah, if you need anything, I go wire for you. You understand? If you want anything, I go do for you. Why be say anytime you say I no can't get money, maybe I just broke for that few weeks, maybe a month. You can't look like you say me I be mumu, I don't know what they do. You understand? You dey push me to the wall. When the one you say, Afa, all these things they do, and they like them. You understand? And we don't date for long. Yes, you understand? But those things don't get too much, and you know as woman they provoke man. You know guys, I will knock am. We say me say that, but me no say yes. Now man they touch am. Me calm down small, this and that. You understand? And again, if I don't give her money, we still go outside again. You understand? So now every time I start to get my own information again, say, I don't get. I think they manage my little I get, they give you because I don't give money for hair and nails. And that person will better pass me. They do your hair, they do your nails for you. I be more happy. You like you can't tell me now. I will change that for you.
Bro, I feel the anger with your voice and inside your eye. I feel say if you even throw slap anytime, but I beg me that thing no happen. I beg. But is it true that everything this your boyfriend said, is it true?
I've never insulted him. It's just as for a few months now, he has not been bringing money at home, nothing. I've been the one even bringing money from my own pocket to support us. And I'm tired. I'm freak out.
Wait, Jesus Christ.
I'm tired.
Jesus, wait, just for how many months?
How many months? I've been the one.
Wait.
I've been the one doing everything.
You're
still beating me up.
Bro, I dey come, bro. Wait.
No, wait first now, man. Wait.
Bro, wait.
Woman need to control me.
I don't talk say woman
Since
go control me.
man no control me.
Wait, bro. Wait, I don't understand. Just for a few months where you brought something, you are already freaked out.
So you don't carry my time for us now, they give everybody.
Bro.
Your head no correct.
Jesus Christ, bro, Mona stop this thing that they do now.
Come meet me for house. No worry.
Bro. Jesus. But two of you are not ready to settle. I don't understand. Now, which one if you come meet me for house? Eh? Try, bro, come back now. Come. Come. Bro, come first. Come first now. Which one be all this one they do now? Just they throw punch for you.
And they carry am for you, say they carry am for me.
Bro, I don't understand. Say why would they? You say if you slap am back, in this hit you back. I don't understand.
They see disrespect. They see how you
every time beating me up, abusing me. What?
Okay now.
For
no
what?
Problem. go meet me for house.
Bro, wait, now I don't understand. Which one be say she will come meet you for us? Let's more settle this thing for here now. Eh?
I no settlement too.
Which one be say more settle?
No settlement at all.
Which one be say no
You see
settlement?
how they carry and they knock me now.
I don't understand, but no be you
I'm
like am.
tired. For 3 months I've been feeding the house. I'm tired. Let's settle it now. I'm tired.
3 months.
Don't tire.
For how many years I don't feed you?
Me, I
4
don't
years. I
tire.
didn't
I
feed
don't
your younger
tire.
one.
I don't tire.
You tell me say you don't tire. Just 3 months. I say since no dey okay for me. You tell me say you don't
I don't
tire.
tire.
They change that for me. I be like
For
waiting.
2 of us, for both of us, for
Wait, they change that for me.
3
I
months.
waiting.
I don't understand.
You dey change that for me. I waiting.
I don't
I
tire.
waiting.
We should settle it now. I'm tired.
Let's just last settlement no dey for ground.
I don't understand. Just 3 months that you are taking care of and you're already tired. What
Let's
about
settle
you?
for
You'll
ground.
be going out every day, coming back with nothing. I'm tired.
You said you're going to understand, say nothing there outside. Everybody going to manage. Now I'm going to tell you what you did. But okay, nah, yes, they report to run now. Waiting, me going to beat me for us. I mean, I'm waiting. Eh?
Bro, I don't want to settle this now. Bro, I don't understand.
You go to collect shots from my hand very well.
I know that, bro. May your hand no touch.
Bro, collect shots from my hand very
Bro,
well.
may your hand no touch this girl.
Sky not say about this one.
Bro, may your hand no touch this girl. I'm my own.
And they tell you always say
Bro, if may your hand no touch this girl, I'm my own, bro. Bro, no worry, don't worry. Bro, may your hand no touch this girl, I'm my own.
Okay.
May your hand no touch this girl.
Go like
bro,
this.
may your hand no touch this girl.
Go like this.
Bro, bro, may your hand no touch this girl, bro.
Go like this.
I'm not going anywhere.
Bro, may your hand touch this girl. May you see what's bro, see this guy. Bro, stop. What you this guy they do like this now? Shey, what you they do like this?
Okay.
Eh?
You don't come here, come beat me, Abi.
See, no worry, eh? We are never there ready to settle. See, people are not ready to settle. Anytime we are not ready to settle, I go no. Now come here, come there. I beg, now you people are not ready to settle. See, bro, no worry, eh? Don't worry, any day. See, if this guy touch you, eh, just let me know. If this any way this guy touch hand on you like this, just let me know. Make you see. You know, any way this guy touch hand on you again, just let me know. Don't worry. See, bro, don't worry, bro. You go see, don't worry, bro. May your hand touch this girl again. Bro, may your hand touch this girl again. May you see.
You will come out together.
Bro, may your hand touch this girl. May you see.
4 years.
Come on, yourself. These people are not even. They don't worry, yourself.